In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your signature to a Google Docs file effortlessly. Whether you're finalizing a report, signing a letter, or simply personalizing your documents, adding your handwritten signature directly into Google Docs can give your work a unique and professional touch. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your Google Docs file. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and do so, or find the document you want to add your signature to from your existing files. Once your document is open, take a look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need. Next, move your cursor to the menu bar and click on Insert. This is a great place to familiarize yourself with because it offers a variety of features that can enhance your document. Under the Insert menu, you'll see an option labeled Drawing. Go ahead and hover over Drawing, and a small side menu will pop up. Click on plus New. Doing this will open a new drawing window, which is where we'll create your signature. Inside the drawing window, you'll see a collection of tools at the top. Focus on finding the Line tool, which is key for this process. Click on the Line tool, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Scribble. Scribble mode allows you to draw freely, making it perfect for signing your name. Now, it's time to sign. You can use your mouse, touchpad, or if you're on a touchscreen device, a stylus, to draw your signature. Take your time here, as this will appear exactly as you draw it. Ensure you're comfortable with your writing tool, and don't worry if you need to redo it a couple of times until you're happy with the result. The beauty of this digital method is that you can instantly erase and retry until you achieve your desired outcome. Once you've drawn your signature and are satisfied with how it looks, find the Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing window and click on it. This will immediately insert your signature into your document right at the spot where your cursor was last positioned. Now that your signature is in the document, you might want to adjust its placement or size. Click on the signature to select it. You can easily resize it by dragging the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. To move it, simply click and drag it to the desired location within your document. And there you have it. Your digital signature is now part of your Google Docs file. Remember, this skill can be incredibly handy for various professional and personal uses, from signing contracts to personalizing letters. You now have the knowledge to add that personalized touch seamlessly. Thanks for following along, and happy signing.